The air outside smells very good right now. It reminds me of when I walk home from elementary and from high school. Melatonin gummies.
Again.
I think
Look at the glistening, bro. What's up, this? What is this? What is this? Is yep. So I'm hungry. I think I have like 3 of them.
I'm like, we were talking about doing work.
Keep eating. It hit me.
Can you pass me?
AJ, everyone's so lazy to go out. We're just dead. We don't want to go anymore.
hey. We're going to meet everyone at campus at 5. This lighting is so nice. The sun is finally out. I can't believe spring is finally here after having it snow on and off and rain every other day. The sun is finally out and it's so exciting. So I'm gonna go and get ready. Hopefully my hair sits. This is my fit for today. Putting on my coat and then I'll wear heels, but I'm also bringing socks just so it's easier to walk around. I also have my earpiece. I wish they were pierced, but I can't commit to that. I need my lip balm. Our bag. This is the fit. Let me show you in a different clip. I'm actually going to switch bags because I want to bring another set of shoes. I'm going to bring my camera. So I'm going to take pictures tonight.
Somewhere. Fucking guy on the bus, bro. When I saw that, I was like, yo, is that me? That's wild. Everybody got their tickets, right?
Yeah.
Are you coming to Kira? No. Oh, oh, we put up so early. I've never been so early for
No, I've never been this early in my life.
Oh.
Which way?
Oh, no. Bum stars.
A bum store. They put so much food on my food.
Okay, go. I was about to go for it, bro. $200 for who?
Happy birthday, dear Marcus! Woo! photo shoot here. It's like taking prom pics.
Oh, it's perfect for my butt.
Hey, BJ, more like, hey, baby, Anuma.
You don't remember her?
Gonna get to you.
Over the moon. It looks bad on. It's a fox.
No, she lost the ball.
Here's the high school, and you can take this out, and the scares car.
Yeah, I got me some. I ain't fussing yesterday. I'm a fuck sign.